How to turn off app notifications for specific apps. So let's get started with the tutorial. From your home screen, tap on the Settings app available there. Once inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the notification near the top of the list. Once inside the notification, scroll down and choose the app you want to manage. All you have to do is tap on that app and toggle allow notification off to completely stop alerts from that app. Or if you just want fewer alerts, you can turn off sounds, disable lock screen or banner alerts, turn off badges, the red number icon, and you can also manage notification quickly by swiping left on a notification in the notification center. So that is it. You can simply follow this method on other apps as well. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.